Hello friend, welcome to Android Chess in Kotlin. This is Golden Thumb. Okay, we already have a reset button here and doing nothing. Let's give it a live in this video. Okay, so in our main activity, right, we want to using this find view by ID, right, to get this button out. Okay, so we need an ID for our button. Let's go to here, our layout file. Similarly, like what we add an ID for our chess view, right, we can add an ID here. Android ID equals, we'll create an ID for that is our reset button, like that. So we can use this ID to find this view here. Okay, so now we can use find view by ID. This time is a button, yeah, and r.id dot reset button. Yeah, it's here. Now we can add on click listener, set on click listener, like that, and we can provide a block to put our logic here. So what kind of logic do we need? We want to reset the game, right? So we can dedicate the job to chess model.reset. No, because it's private, I guess. So now it's time to make it to upgrade its scope from private to package. Okay, so by default, like that, it means within this package it's available to all the other classes. Function could be private. Okay, so after a while you will be silenced. Main activity. Now we can use reset. Yeah, we can call this reset, and we still need to repaint our so this guy, the view here, chess view is used twice. So now let's create a var here. Do we need a let's create a variable here. Okay, so I think this is better to put it private. Use a late init var for our view. Okay, so late init var, so late init means it will be initialized when later than the initialize the constructor is called. So this one is our chess view. Okay, chess view, that's good. So now we can assign, we can use chess view here, right? And chess view equals this guy, so we'll do this once and then we can use it here, so we don't need to do it again. And after we reset the button, we want to, let's try this, okay, to make sure it won't work. Okay, so make a move like that, reset, nope, right, because we didn't re-render it, so let's invalidate our view, so it will force the system to redraw everything and not try it again. Make some moves. And then we'll reset. Yes, it works, right? Cool. One more time. Yeah. And that's it. So we, yeah, this is our button, this is the button, and we use a click listener to implement the logic here, and the it is the button itself, but we don't need to use it, so we simply dedicated the job to the model, and then we ask the view to redraw everything. Okay, refresh the screen. Now let's make a commit. Yeah, so activity main, oh yeah, yes, we added the ID in this layout file, so we can use the button's ID to find it in our main activity. Yeah, it makes sense. So implement it. Implemented functionality of reset button. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next